If y'all don't sage, y'all missing out. Gotta sage before every video. Spark that creativity. Yes, ma'am. Got that positive energy. Yes, ma'am. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tate. 2 videos in a row. That's the look. I actually don't know what I'm going to title this, but we're going to do an all yellow look because that day when I put that yellow on, I was like, oh sis, too cute. So that's what we're doing today, but make sure to like, comment, and
subscribe.
Say it with me.
Subscribe.
If you didn't say it with me, you
failed.
All right, so let's jump into this look. That was cool, huh? That was so cool. Okay, so we got the lids prepped up, and the whole video we're just doing this yeller. Oh my god, I already know this look gonna look good today.
What's up, everybody? It's Jarrell Martin. Yeah, you know, I'm about to go ahead and do this voiceover for my girl. You know what I do. Yeah, so now you're doing the yellow stuff, you know, doing all the noise and all that, you know, doing all that nonsense, but you know, she doing all that with the makeup, you know, really doing the magic for y'all, you know. So she doing the yellow look, you know, yellow sunshine. She doing all that for y'all. And then now she doing like a little pasted and sound like you're chewing. That's the brush. So she doing all that for y'all, you know. So y'all need to subscribe, you know, cause y'all be pissing me off, man. I be seeing her, she be trying to do all this work for y'all, do subscribe, and y'all don't be subscribing. Y'all need to do it. So now she got the NYX eyeliner, and you know, she making it sharp and all that, you know, sharp like a fade, like a crispy fade. So yeah, so she doing that. You know, man, I'm hungry, man. I want me a shrimp po' boy or something, you know, put some barbecue sauce on that bad boy. But anyway, yeah, so she doing the eyeliner and, you know, doing it all crisp and everything like that. You got to make it parallel to the eyebrows. You know, make sure you get that, because, you know, when y'all be out here, y'all be walking around eyebrowless and looking all bad and, you know, looking like, I don't even know, you know, I don't want to get demonetized. But yeah, you know, so she doing the thing, she being precise and crisp and all that, you know. So yeah, she doing all that. You got to make it sharp. And yeah, she doing the damn thing, you know, you feel me? So yeah, she doing it up. All right. Got a brush. Gotta get some waves for your eyelashes. Oh, all right, you prepping it. She gonna put the eyelash weave on. Put the eyelash weave. Where the tool at, girl? Where the tool? You gotta have the tool. Oh, there. She putting it on there. Yeah. Yeah, so, you know, she having that whole tool and she got to do all that. And, yeah, she doing that for y'all. You know, so y'all need to subscribe. Oh, and that's the thing right there.
You guys.
Oh, all right. I know she's talking right now, so I'm going to wrap this up. Oh, girl, you looking good.
This is too
if you don't know me, I'm the one who always under the comments saying, damn, you fine.
Yes.
Oh, she fine.
I'm a baddie. But thanks, you guys, for tuning in. Make sure
but anyway, it's been Jarrell Martin.
Subscribe.
Thank
y'all for watching and everything. I'm turning back to let her do what you do.
Like I've said before, I will leave a flyer somewhere in this video so y'all can see the prices. And if you're not able to see it, I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry because I didn't even think about it. Maybe I don't know what I'll do. And also, I'm really sorry for not talking as much throughout the video. I didn't feel like talking this time. I just wanted to do my makeup, enjoy it, and just chill. But all right, you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.